Do you work hard, earn your money, but at the end of the month, it just disappears? If the answer is yes, you might be falling into financial traps without even realizing it. There are silent habits that eat away at your finances and keep you stuck in a cycle of never having enough money, even when you try to save. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 dangerous financial mistakes that could be sabotaging your future and preventing you from building wealth. The worst part: many people make these mistakes without even noticing. Stay with me until the end because I'll share essential tips to help you escape this trap and finally take control of your money. Welcome to Wisdom and Finances. Here, you'll learn how to manage your money better, invest wisely, and build wealth. If you want to break free from financial struggles and transform your life, subscribe now, activate the notification bell, and take control of your finances once and for all. First, the trap of frequent loans. Turning to loans constantly may seem like a quick fix for financial struggles, but in reality, this habit creates a dangerous cycle of debt. When someone takes out a loan without a solid plan to repay it, they end up compromising their future income, leading to the need for new loans to cover previous debts. As a result, the problem worsens, turning into a financial maze that is difficult to escape. The more frequent this practice becomes, the greater the dependence on credit, and the accumulating interest causes the debt to grow rapidly. Over time, personal finances become overloaded, with a large portion of income going toward loan repayments, limiting the ability to invest, save, or even cover essential expenses. This prevents financial growth and can lead to a permanent state of economic insecurity. To break this cycle, it is essential to find alternatives that reduce the need for loans. Increasing income, cutting unnecessary expenses, and prioritizing debt repayment are crucial steps to regain financial stability. Additionally, building an emergency fund can prevent unexpected situations from forcing further borrowing. Financial freedom begins when you take control of your money instead of relying on borrowed funds to get by. Second, financial disorganization. Lack of control over money is one of the biggest obstacles for those looking to improve their financial life. Many people spend without being fully aware of their expenses, leading to unpleasant surprises at the end of the month. This behavior prevents a clear understanding of one's financial situation and makes it difficult to create strategies for saving or investing. When you don't know exactly where your money is going, setting concrete goals and making sound financial decisions becomes impossible. Without proper planning, the risk of spending more than you earn increases significantly, resulting in a constantly tight budget. Small daily expenses that seem insignificant can add up and take a large portion of your income. Additionally, lack of financial control can lead to late bill payments, generating interest and penalties that further worsen the financial situation. That's why organizing your finances should be a priority to avoid a personal financial collapse. To fix this problem, adopting habits that provide better financial control is essential. One of the best strategies is to track all income and expenses for at least 3 months, helping to identify patterns and eliminate unnecessary spending. Tools like spreadsheets or financial management apps can make this process simpler and more efficient. When you have a detailed view of your finances, making informed decisions and building a more stable financial future becomes much easier. Third, the illusion of wealth. Many people believe that having financial stability means owning high-value assets such as luxury cars, designer clothes, and the latest electronics. However, this pursuit of status can lead to a major mistake: acquiring more liabilities than assets. Liabilities are items that drain money over time, such as vehicles requiring constant maintenance and unnecessary purchases made on credit. On the other hand, assets, such as investments in stocks, rental properties, or profitable businesses, generate income and contribute to wealth growth. Another serious issue is spending beyond one's means just to maintain the appearance of success. Many people fall into a cycle of impulsive purchases and financing solely to impress others, without realizing that this can jeopardize their financial future. In the long run, this mindset leads to mounting debt and difficulty handling unexpected expenses, making financial stability increasingly out of reach. True success is not about looking wealthy but about building a strong and sustainable financial foundation. To avoid falling into this trap, it's essential to change your perspective on money and focus on strategies that provide long-term security. This means prioritizing investments that grow wealth, cutting unnecessary expenses, and avoiding purchases driven solely by vanity. Building wealth requires discipline and planning, and those who understand this principle achieve true financial freedom, without the need to prove anything to anyone. Fourth, the false security of savings. Many people believe that saving money and keeping it in a savings account is the best strategy for securing a stable financial future. However, this mindset can be a trap because simply accumulating money without finding ways to grow it can limit financial progress. Inflation erodes purchasing power over time, and the returns on savings accounts are often too low to offset this loss. As a result, those who put all their money into savings may unknowingly be missing out on opportunities to build wealth. Moreover, focusing solely on saving without investing in personal growth can make it harder to build a strong financial foundation. Finding ways to increase income, such as improving professional skills or starting a business, is just as important as saving. People who neglect professional development may find themselves stuck, relying on a salary that often fails to keep up with the rising cost of living. Adopting a growth-oriented mindset is essential for achieving financial stability. Another factor that can negatively impact finances is choosing a partner who does not share the same financial values. Differences in spending habits, debt management, and priorities can lead to conflicts and disrupt financial planning. That's why open communication and aligning financial goals within a relationship are crucial. Building wealth requires more than just saving. It demands smart investing, seeking new income streams, and maintaining a strategic approach to money. Fifth, excessive spending and ignored debts. Many people dream of living in a big, comfortable home but overlook the financial impact of this decision. Spending an excessive portion of income on housing can severely limit the ability to save and invest, leaving little room for other financial priorities. When housing costs take up too much of one's earnings, there's less money available to build an emergency fund, plan for retirement, or simply enjoy life with peace of mind. This imbalance can lead to a cycle of stress and financial insecurity. Another common mistake is ignoring debts and postponing payments, believing that the situation will somehow resolve itself in the future. However, debts don't disappear on their own, and over time, accumulating interest makes the total amount increasingly difficult to pay off. Many people avoid facing their financial obligations out of fear or lack of organization, but this only worsens the problem. The longer financial issues are ignored, the harder it becomes to regain control over one's economic life. To avoid these problems, it's essential to maintain realistic financial planning and prioritize balance. Choosing housing that fits within one's means and adjusting lifestyle expenses to match income are key steps to preventing financial strain. Additionally, addressing debts proactively, renegotiating amounts and seeking better repayment options helps restore financial stability. Taking control of personal finances requires discipline and commitment, but the benefits of a debt-free life are well worth the effort. So, how many of these mistakes have you made without even realizing it? The good news is that now that you're aware of these financial traps, you can start avoiding them and transforming your life. To help you even further on this journey, I've pinned a special resource in the first comment with valuable tips to help you prosper and get financially organized. Don't miss it! Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your time and dedication to improving your finances are essential to your success. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a financial change. See you in the next video. Until then, let's build wealth together.